Handheld LiDAR SLAM systems are redefining how 3D spatial data is captured. Compact and efficient, they offer a practical alternative to traditional surveying tools for indoor environments. CHC Navigation introduces the RS7, a high-performance handheld LiDAR SLAM scanner designed for reliable 3D data capture across a wide range of professional workflows. RS7 integrates high-precision inertial navigation system with SLAM. With IMU bias stability better than 0.5 degrees per hour, up to 20 times higher than typical consumer-grade MEMS, it enables accurate motion tracking even in feature-poor environments. From long corridors to repetitive multi-level staircases, RS7 delivers clean, distortion-free, high-accuracy 3D results. The RS7's LiDAR scanner captures up to 1.15 million points per second, delivering up to 6 times higher performance than the previous generation. From detailed architectural features to fine interior elements such as wall joints and window frames, it provides dense and consistent 3D data across the entire scene. With an ultra-wide field of view of 360 degree by 189 degree, the RS7 captures ceilings and corners without manual angle adjustments. Operators simply walk through the environment to obtain complete, accurate scans. The CHCNAV RS7 features two 12-megapixel HD cameras for sharper images in low-light conditions and supports a native dual 48-megapixel configuration. With CHCNAV ISP optimization, RS7 improves colorization and mesh reconstruction, producing vivid colors and sharp details for efficient downstream modeling and vector drawing. Its HPGS 2.0 engine generates 3D Gaussian splatting models for real-color scene reconstruction, combining visual realism with precise geometric details. RS7 features an expandable design with an open hardware interface and SDK support. Integrated with CHCNAV CoCloud, RS7 delivers a unified device-to-cloud workflow. Field data is uploaded with a single click, and processing runs automatically. Point clouds, mesh models, and 3D Gaussian splatting results are ready for use. Powered by Deep INS and SLAM Fusion plus Cloud Edge computation, the CHCNAV RS7 brings all-round innovation to reality capture. It delivers cost-effective, accessible 3D scanning for building surveys, interior documentation, and more, enabling faster digital delivery. RS7, Deep INS plus SLAM Fusion for reliable mapping.